Let me stay with you. In us, can you? Just one night. I don't know about you, your life. But tell me 'cause we still have time.
Hello everyone, Snitika here and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this look. So if you are interested, then let's begin. First, I'm going to use this concealer by Swiss Beauty. It is a liquid concealer. I'm in the shade 02, that is Sand Sable. First, I will take some concealer on a brush and I will clean underneath my eyebrows. Now I'm going to apply the concealer all over my lid. Then with a beauty blender, I'm going to blend it properly. After that, I will take some loose powder on a fluffy brush and I will set the concealer. Now I'm going to take this beautiful pink shade and with the help of a blending brush, I'm going to apply it on my outer V as well as on my crease. I will mainly focus applying the color on my crease. Now I'm going to take some more product and intensify the color over my crease. Then I'm going to take this shade and I will mainly focus the color over my outer V. First, I'll start applying on the outer V area and slowly I will take it towards the center of my lids. I will also make sure to blend with the pink shadow properly. Now I'm going to take some more concealer and I will draw a half cut crease. As you saw, I first made an outline and after that I'm going to fill that area. Then I will take some more of that pink shade, that pink shimmery shade, and I will soften the edges. Then I will set the concealer with some loose powder. Then I will take this shade and I will apply it on the area where I have done the cut crease. I will blend both of the shades properly on the center of my lid. Then with the help of a fluffy brush, I'm going to take absolutely no product and I'm just going to soften the blending over my center of the lids. Now I'm going to apply this shade on my lower lash line. Then I will apply this shade again, and this time I'm going to do it for the purpose of the highlighter, and I will apply it on my brow bone and inner corners. Then I'm going to take this liquid liner and I'm going to apply a very thin coat of it on my upper lash line, and I will also create an outer wing. Then I will take this mascara and apply it on my upper lashes and lower lashes.
Let me stay with you. In us, can you? Just one night. I don't know about you, your life. But tell me, 'cause we still have time. I can't say I can't do, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. I think of you every moment. Can't say I can't do, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. There's no
Now quickly let me just apply the lashes off camera and then show you the final look.
There's nobody else.
So that's it for today guys. I hope you loved this look, and if you did, then please do not forget to give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to comment down below and let me know what other eye looks you want me to create for you. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, have fun, take care of yourself, and bye bye.